Well, welcome to my life. We were actually quite lucky. The rain, actually, it's kind of strange. The rain, we were just seeing like the edge of it. The edge kind of went by us and then went up north, excuse me. And so we didn't really get too much of that. And then I seen another part of the storm coming, and it looked like it was going to hit us direct on, but for some reason that veered more towards Nova Scotia, and we just seen the sort of the outskirts, or the, however you want to say it, the edge of that one also. But don't get me wrong, we got 2 inches of rain, but we would have got a lot more than the 2 inches of rain that we received. But because of that, I'm kind of glad that I did cover this over, because there's water on it. And the little pool has got all kinds of rain, or water, I guess. Rain, whichever way you want to look at it. So I have to pump that out. I obviously can't build a wall and step into that right now, so I'm going to have to pump that out. And you can see by the buckets that we did get a couple inches of rain. Well, the water wouldn't have come down here and got into this. I'm not sure exactly. I know it would have dropped down this way and got into it, but something tells me it was coming from a different angle, and I probably should have come out here to look at how the water was running. But it didn't really start till, I don't know, somewhere around 1 o'clock in the morning, so I wasn't about to come out here at that time. But let's see here. You can see it's wet. I can see that water did come down through this way. Some, even though I have it blocked pretty good there, it still came. But it could have came from the hill too. Very well could have come from the hill and made its way down into here. That's why I figure I need to make it go in that direction so that this will come into it too. Because I have to think of the water coming down off that hill, the snow melting and all that has to be able to come into here, yet the water coming from that direction can't come out of here. So I don't know if you understand, but that's kind of my perspective on how this is going to work. So it is definitely diverting the water, and like I say, I believe the water from here actually came from the hill, because I can't see it backing up this way. And there's just, well, it could have, because it's holding the water, it's not releasing the water. So there's a certain amount of back, I don't know if you'd call it back pressure, or due to the fact that it can't drain as fast. as it's coming in, so this can't be relieved. I'll have to look at all these variables and make decisions as I go. So I know, yeah, I'm up to 5 minutes already. Okay, that's pretty well as far as I'm gonna go. I have to put a bucket in here. I'll just walk over here real quick. I wanted to show you what I was up against first. I have drill bits, I have a drill. I have the sub pump. I obviously have power, although I should check to make sure. No, I can see that the light is glowing, so I do have power. I have a hose to guide the water out and over the falls there. And well, this is what I'm going to do today. Going to drain that little, I don't know if you call it a pond, but that little thing there, I'll call it a pond, the small pond. I have to drain that so I can step in it again. So that needs to be done. And let's see here. Okay, yeah, that's what I have to do. I have to drain that little pond so that I can actually be able to step into it again, even though it's going to be muck. It's better than water. So everybody have a great day, and this is my project for today. This and the other stuff I've done today. Cheers.